Connecting pipes in this manner is a waste of joints. The most important thing is to remove the connecting pipe first. Then we take another pipe to measure the size, which we will cut later. And then we tie the plastic later. This is very useful because we will put sand into the pipe. After it is tied neatly, we take the sand and put it into the pipe. After filling with sand, we tie it neatly. Then we light the fire on the candle to heat the pipe. Then heat the pipe so we can bend the pipe. If you bend a pipe, it has to be really hot so we can bend it. After that, we bend it very carefully so that the pipe does not break. Then do the other one like you did before. Then we heat the end of the pipe to make it soft. This technique also has to be really hot so that when it is inserted, it has to really go into the pipe. Then cut the end of the pipe. Then after that, we insert the pipe into the pipe that we want to connect. Then we apply glue to the part of the pipe that we want to connect so that it sticks very strongly. After that, we insert the pipe into the pipe that we want to connect. Thank you to all my friends who have watched my video. I hope it is useful and well received. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so you can get our latest videos. See you in our latest video.